pancake coming out.
Make the sound.
Wave your hand, did you do that?
Yeah.
No, I'm just making sure, because like you said, why is it
Wave
take...
again. Everything gonna take forever for us.
I've never seen you. Maybe out of bed.
Oh no, it's coming. See it.
Okay. I guess patience work. Look, why you don't want that over? You got log cabin. You got strawberry.
Wow, she's cooking.
You got caramel. Oh, you missed it. Yep, it's right there. And then you got dark chocolate. Talk about your together.
It's hot. I was waiting this whole time. As soon as oh shoot, here it is.
That's how you missed it.
I thought it was gonna come from this. That's the light. Is you done?
Yeah, you gotta put it. Yeah, I missed it again. Wow. Okay, can you? I don't know if I want your assistant.
I struggle so much.
It's definitely one of the old ones. This is funny.
That's what I figured this was. I put another one if you want that.
Yeah.
Well, you better hurry up.
Girl, as slow as he's moving like some molasses, I got time. Yeah, I had time. It's right here though. That's how you do a flapjack. I don't know what that's gonna call. It's okay. I'll get around. Thank you. I keep saying I wanted to try this, and look, it's on sale, so I think I'm gonna go ahead and get it. The lotions?
Okay.
It's $30. That much it cost? Girl, cut the camera. Not that they price mad, but no, for real though. I know that, but no, for real though. These are questions that needs to be in. Cause I mean, I got lotion, but like,
It's not the same. Like,
I know that's what I'm saying. Like, but I ain't know it was $30. I'm gonna go and get in line. They didn't have no water. Like a small pack, I should say. Hey, how are you? Doing good.
Okay, no problem. Good morning.
Good morning.
Okay, ladies, we're going to 2 by Hilton on Miami West.
Yes.
That's have a good one. Alrighty. Going back to the room so we can get ready to head to the boat. I'm so upset though. So our flight got delayed not once, not twice, but 3 times, right? We supposed to be in Miami at like 5 o'clock because we was going to spend the first night out.
I'm out here in Miami, looking for the hoochie daddy.
Where they at? Okay? The flight got canceled. So of course, you know when that happens, that means that you don't want to do absolutely nothing but get to your room, shower, and go to bed. Cause you've been up all day. Like for me especially, I think Destiny went to work too. I'm not sure, but I went to work because I knew I'm gonna be out for a week because of the cruise. So we're gonna do a makeup on our last night to go out. in Miami. We actually have a late flight, but we had a midday flight coming down. Epic fail. Hello. Yes. Oh, thank you.
Party in the city where the heat is on all night on the beach till the break of dawn.
Welcome to Miami. Bienvenido a Miami.
Bouncing in the club where the heat is on all night on the beach till the break of dawn. I'm going to Miami.
Welcome to Miami.
Miami. South Beach, bringing the heat. Can y'all feel that? Can y'all feel that? Check it out. Here I am in the place where I come let go. In Miami, the base and the sunset low.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
That was like points.
I need to take this jacket off. It's hot. But it's the, I hope I got that on camera. Cause what in the world? Sorry. Can we get across? I guess we go now. Nope. What? Nope. Okay.
Put them outside. Y'all check it in?
Yeah.
Y'all check in with that guy right there.
Okay. Thank you. Hello.
We have our passport with us. Yeah. No alcoholic beverage in the bags.
No.
Cross the street, make a left at the end of the building, make 2 right turns. We are boarding and we are having lunch.
Okay.
We are coming from
Maryland.
how's the weather?
Cold.
Yes.
That's why we got on these coats.
Thank you, lady.
Thank
Have a
you.
blessed day, my love.
Thank you, you too.
Luggage is up and it's gone.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome to Miami.
South Beach, bringing the heat.
Something must have happened. Why they got all these dogs on here? Hey, we always in. That's what I'm saying. I'm like, you got long.